Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
Alright. Trying to warm up. I'm doing some substitute lessons, and I also have a new book that they are checking out, so I'm going to look at that after I warm up a little bit. Move a bit sharp on that.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.